The one thing I really like about this little tractor, you can see how close everything is in here. And you seen a minute ago, I actually turned this thing sideways and kind of drug some of those ashes around a little bit. Well, the M6060 won't even fit. I mean, you can pull it in here straight, but that's all the room you have, and you don't have room to be able to move anything around. And I can get most of those ashes with the tractor, and you can see the little pile in front of me now is pretty much, I could probably keep working with that and still get a lot of that, but then it starts becoming a little bit more time consuming. So I'm just gonna grab the shovel and actually just pile the rest of that in the bucket. There's not a whole lot left here to have to shovel up. So I gotta tell you, I am loving how handy this little tractor is. I've done some other jobs and stuff kind of like this and realized very quickly that, you know, it's not going to replace the M6060 by no means. If you're trying to move a large volume of dirt or gravel or whatever, then that M6060 will definitely, I'll be going right to it. But if I need to move some stuff in tight areas or just fix a few areas and not move quite as much material, then this Kioti CS2520 is going to be the perfect answer to that. This is going to really help. You know, it's really going to be a back saver, because these jobs like this before, I'd have to get in here and pull the tractor up here and then start shoveling stuff in the bucket pretty much. Whereas this one, I could get it down to a small amount and then just kind of, you know, rake up and shovel the rest of it in the bucket. And if I want to spend more time on it, yes, I probably could have kept moving stuff around with the bucket and got some more of it and had even less to rake. But then it started getting to the point where, you know, is it worth the time, or do you just jump off and just finish off that little tiny bit? And being that small amount is so much better than what I could have got with the M6060 in this situation. So anyways, thanks for checking out the video today. I'm going to go and dump this bucket load. Stay tuned, because there's going to be a whole bunch of videos coming up with this tractor. I actually have 41 hours on this tractor already, and before I started making a lot of videos on it and really giving my ideas, thoughts, and opinions on it, I wanted to have some seat time on it so that I could give you a valued opinion on it versus somebody that's just not even run it long enough, or, you know, had enough experience to start realizing the pluses and minuses of this tractor. So until next time, keep it outdoors, and we'll see you on the next one.